All right, we're here with Stan and Rhonda, and we just completed their nice, beautiful cabin. Got them looking good again, so we're going to ask them a few questions. So what made you choose Logmasters?
Several reasons. First of all, you guys are very price competitive. We appreciate that. And secondly, we saw examples of your work, and it looked good. We were impressed with what we saw. And another reason is when we call and talk to people at Logmaster, we talk to people. We didn't talk to automated answering machines. It was very personable, and I like that.
Thank you.
And I think, too, the fact that when you returned our call, you went through everything that you were going to do step by step, explained it. We were not left in the dark about anything.
Great. Thank you very much. How did the crew treat you during the restoration process?
Well, the crew was very professional. They knew what they were doing. They knew what they had to do. We just stayed out of their way and watched them work, and it was a great experience. Very professional, very courteous. Didn't hear any discouraging words. It was a good experience.
What did you like most about our company or our work?
Just look at the house. It was in bad shape before. We've only been here about 6 weeks, and apparently it had not been maintained for 10 years or so, so it was in pretty bad shape. You look at it now, it looks like it's brand new. Looks like it did back in 2000 when it was built.
And I love the fact that you were here when you said you were going to be, and it was quiet. We were never really disturbed, and you again let us know every step of the way what was going to take place and how long it was going to take, and that was very helpful.
Great. Thank you very much. What's your satisfaction level on the work completed?
Very satisfied. You exceeded our expectations.
Yep. I was going to say a 20 out of 10.
That's
we
sweet.
couldn't have asked for anything any better.
No, thank you so much. Why would you recommend our company, and would you recommend them to a friend?
Well, I hope you took before and after pictures. That says it all, right there. Very good. Yes, we would recommend you to anybody else we know that has log cabins.
And I think one of the main reasons why I felt very comfortable is the obvious character of you and your staff. The fact that we were able to leave our home here for a week and completely trusted everyone on the team, knowing that our home was safe, that it was well cared for, and just your character was huge.
Well, thank you very much, guys. It's such a blessing to be able to work on your house and get it looking great again, and look forward to coming back for the maintenance code and the wash.
Absolutely.
Thank you, Nick.
Yeah, thank you.